Good afternoon, this is Nick with Williams Sewer Line Inspectors performing a video inspection for 15434 Deerhorn Road in Sherman Oaks. Right now we're looking into the city street. We're about 136 feet from our point of access. We're looking at, this is the sewer line. It's underneath the city street. It's about 6 inches before the connection to the city sewer. I'll do a second video showing a little bit further into the city sewer and pull back so you can get just a really good look at this. Right now, the distance that I've gone from this access point isn't going to let me get past these roots, but there's another access point in the house that I'll be able to use to get over these and then get a better look at all this. Right now that's obviously cracked. It looks like we can see a little bit of dirt coming into the pipe through the crack. Also a bunch of roots at the top of the screen coming in through the crack. These are things which indicate that sewage can escape the system at this point. Something that you really would like to address in order to keep the soil from around this pipe from becoming contaminated and to prevent soil erosion as well. So I'll go ahead and pull back and we'll see the rest of the condition of the pipe. There's another look at that one spot. It looks like it's really just a few inches from the city sewer. Get a better look at it on the second video. So pulling back, we see this is a clay pipe, which clay is inherently a good material because it doesn't rust or corrode. It doesn't have a limited lifetime that it can last for. What typically ends up causing a problem with clay is unhandled roots. Coming into the line can cause a break. Sometimes a little bit of shifting from an earthquake can also cause the joints of the pipe to start to break and to displace. And that's what we're having right there at the connection to the city sewer. We've got a lot of roots coming in through the joints at this time. I would say there's enough roots here to warrant a cleaning be done. And then go ahead and recommend a maintenance schedule for the line of every 8 to 12 months. Go ahead and clean it. I'm a little bit curious about this spot right here. So what we have here is we have a hairline crack right in front of us that is going into the pipe. This is within the joint. It's not the biggest issue. And as we go down, this is a much larger crack in the pipe at just before it transitions into the pipe below. That has some roots coming in through it as well. Get a better look at that as well in the second inspection. This is a vertical riser leading up to the level of the rest of the pipe. Some more roots coming into the line. Nothing to be unexpected. And then here we switch into a clay pipe, or sorry, a plastic pipe. Plastic is an excellent material for sewer lines because it is flexible so it cannot crack like clay can, but it is also immune to rust and corrosion, so it doesn't have a finite life either. Expected life expectancies for, or projected rather, life expectancies for plastic pipe are at this time 200 years. This is the access that we'll be doing the second video inspection from. It's in the front yard, right next to a crawl space. It's covered with a black plastic cap, sort of a roundish top to it. This plastic is just really an excellent material. It won't allow for root intrusion. Really doesn't need any maintenance. far as I can tell, all of the pipe underneath the house is likely to be this plastic material. Certainly all the pipe we can see underneath the house is plastic. A little bit of debris there. So this is just about it for the first inspection. Show you where we came in, and then we'll take another look from that second access point and we'll get out further into the street. This is the side door that goes to the carport. This is the access point that we used. Please see the second video for final findings and recommendations.